Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can draw a spear inside Fusion 360. Now to draw a spear there are two ways. The first way is simply you can go to create drop down in the main menu and you can select spear where you be asking to select what plane do you want to insert that spear. So you select some plane and a point on that plane. So now you can directly give the spear a radius, a diameter. I'm giving it 50, and there you go, you have your spear. There is another way you can create a spear if you like to. In what happens during design is you might not have the chance to insert spear like this into your designs, so you need to design the spear in another way. So how you can do that? Go to create sketch, select the plane you want. Now what I do is create a circle with the diameter that you would want to create your spear, let's say 50, and now draw a line through it and make it as construction line so that it won't be involved in our design. And now you can delete one of the part of the circle and then join this line here like this to the extreme ends. Finish the sketch. Now you can just revolve this thing on the axis. So now you have your spear. So there is a reason why I am emphasizing you to learn this method too, because in the later stage we will now need to add spears in complex design, so we need to know all the methods of adding spears into our designs. So this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get regular updates and tips and tricks about Fusion 360.